Good morning, traders and investors. Roger Scott here, Senior Strategist for Wealth Press. I'm here a lot earlier than usual, and I've got some important stuff, but I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to cut to the chase today. In terms of data, very, very important. You've got the CPI tomorrow, and we have the big FOMC minutes. There's not a lot of news today except for Fed speakers, which means the bond market are going to be very choppy. I'm expecting more downside from the bond market, which means there's a good chance that bonds are going to go lower, which will put more pressure on stocks. Now, most of market action is expected to be neutral today going into tomorrow because A, it was a fragmented day on Monday, and B, we had really very good job report on Friday, which means the market has a higher chance of going 0.25. Now, in terms of data, I'll just give you a brief update on this. Markets were stronger yesterday on the blue chip stocks than the Nasdaq stocks. I think that's partly because there's a fear that rates are going to go higher. Also, there's a 66.7% probability that rates are going to go higher right now versus 33 that they are not going to go higher. We have bank stocks reporting on Friday, which can put a little wrinkle, and investors will focus on speeches from Fed Philadelphia, President Patrick Harper, and President Kashkari for fresh clues on monetary policy. Europe was really strong, actually. Auto stocks. China was mixed, and Japan, Warren Buffett said he's going to start investing in Japanese stocks, which I thought was really interesting. Can't wait to see that happening. All in all, choppiness, more downside in the bond market. As far as sectors you need to focus on, let me show you where the action is right now. Energy still bullish. Consumer staples, let me show you consumer staples. Energy and consumer staples are still looking pretty good. Healthcare, got to be cautious with right now. And utilities, be cautious with utilities. There's an inverse correlation between bonds and utilities. Overall, in terms of stocks that I'm really liking right now, let me show you what I'm really liking right now. I'm really bullish on GE, I'm bullish on Nvidia, and I'm bullish on Quanta. Really bullish. Stocks I'm bearish on right now, let me tell you. I'm bearish on Generac, VFC, and Fidelity National Investment. There's a lot of money in these stocks. So I'm sorry for being short today, but I have an important appointment, but I wanted to get this to you as soon as possible. Now, before I let you go, folks, I don't have to tell you that stocks are going lower. There's a lot of opportunities down stocks. Unlike popular belief, most stocks actually go down over time, not up. And we'll be talking about that later today at 1 o'clock. I've dedicated my life to finding stock market's strongest stocks, but now I'm also looking at the weakest stocks. And thanks to a single pattern that precedes some of the market's biggest drops, I can now focus on the worst stocks to find the best opportunities. I'm going live today at 1 p.m. Eastern Time with a world-exclusive reveal to show you some of the weakest stocks on Wall Street and how you could profit for it. It's the first time I'm doing it. It's a world-exclusive reveal. You don't want to miss out on this. 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Follow the link below this video. And remember, strongest stocks right now is GE and Nvidia. Weakest stocks, VFC, Fidelity National, and where's that other one? Generac. Terrible stocks. Follow the link below. Like this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Watch these videos. I'll be back tomorrow. Remember, it's still a fragmented day. The week really starts tomorrow, and I'll give you a very deep dive. I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay out of trouble. Any questions, comments, or anything, post it in the YouTube Wealth Press channel. Like and subscribe. Don't miss today. It's April 11th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. It's going to be great, and I'll see you soon. Bye.